Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a set of the day. Before moving ahead, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So the question says that 8 students A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H wrote an exam conducted by an assistant professor Asim. Asim ranked the students in the decreasing order of the marks in the exam such that 2 or more students who got the same marks will get the same rank, say N. And the student who has the next highest marks will get the next rank, that is N plus 1 and so on. Later, Asim submitted the same to his superior, Professor Ganesh. The professor was not satisfied and asked Asim to give revised rank from 1 to 8 to the 8 students in the decreasing order of the marks. Okay. If 2 or more students get the same marks and compete for the same rank, say N, then the students with least number of attempts among them should be ranked the best. That is N, and the one with the next least number of attempts, the next best, that is N plus 1, and so on. When Asim ranked the students accordingly, it was observed that of the students whose rank, now following points have been given, that of the students whose ranks were changed, the change in the rank of B was less than that of any other student, and the change in rank of G was more than that of any other student. Only D's rank changed by 3. The number of questions attempted by C was less than that by A, but his revised rank was not better than that of A, which in turn was 6. Initially, D and E had the same rank, and initially there was no rank which was given to more than 3 students. Then no 2 students had the same number of attempts, and between any 2 ranks, numerically lower is considered to be the better rank. Okay. So what has been given is that G, the rank change in rank of G was more than any of the other student. Now what we can say is that whichever student would have got the maximum change of rank, okay, whichever student would have got the maximum change of rank, the ranks could be what, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. But whoever is going to get the maximum change of rank, that student is going to have the final rank of 8. Okay, that student is going to have a final rank of 8 because all were clustered in the top, and now 8 ranks have been given. So any person who would be getting that whatever rank he got, if he has the maximum change has occurred for him, that means he has slipped down to the 8th rank. Okay, now nobody will move up above, okay, for of the original rank. Nobody is going to move above the original rank. They will either remain there or they will come down. So the maximum decline that could be there will be for the person who got the 8th rank. Okay, because already in the initial rank as well, he was in the somewhat in the lower order of the ranks. Okay, whatever 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it was, that person will have the maximum change in rank, and that person will get the final rank of 8. So let us make a short table for the final ranks. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for 8, what do we know? That we have G, because he got the maximum change in. So G will be the person at 8th position. Okay. Now, which we have been given that the rank of A was 6. The rank of A was 6. Okay, we have been given that over here, that was not better than that of A, which in turn was 6. So this 6 is related to A. So rank of A was 6. Also, it has been said that the final revised rank of C was not better than that of A. Now, because A has got the 6th rank and C's rank is worse than that of A, the only possibility for C is going to be rank 7. That is, the final rank of C was 7. Okay. Acha. Now let take a to explain it to you, take a hypothetical situation. Let's say the rank was n plus 1 and n plus 2. Let's say these were the ranks. Okay, and talking about the students. Now let's say there are 2 students in each category. Just this is just a hypothetical situation, guys. P, Q, R, S, take care, T and U. Now suppose between P and Q, P is the person who had lesser number of attempts. Okay, P is the person. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's say P was the person who had the lesser number of attempts. So he will retain his position as rank 1. Okay, he will retain his position as rank 1, whereas Q will be shifting down to rank 2. Okay, Q will be shifting down to rank 2. Now, what is the change in the rank of Q? Change in the rank of Q is 1. Okay, now coming to R and S, now whoever has got the lesser number of attempts will be getting rank 3 and the other one will be getting rank 4. Okay, so what you can say is, what you can tell from here is that let's say R had the lesser number of attempts. So R will be taking this position, S will be taking this position. Okay, R will be taking this, S will be taking this position, 4th position. Now what you can say is Okay. Now what you can say is that the change in rank of the lesser rank among P and Q. Okay. Change in the rank of lesser ranked among P and Q, that is Q, the changes of 1 is equal to the change in rank of the higher rank between R and S. Okay, so between two slabs, whatever is the change in the rank of the lesser rank student will be equal to the change in the rank of the higher rank student. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, because this is something we are going to base our question upon. Okay, now removing all of this, what we can see is that the change in rank of B was the least. The change in rank of B was the least. Okay, chalo, this has been given. So if the change was least, we can say that it must have changed by a value of 1. Okay, the rank of B must have changed by the value of 1. Okay, Acha, now it means that there must have been two other people in the same initial rank of B. Okay, why there would have been two other people in the same rank of B? Because if you see, let's say if there were only two people, let's say there is again, let's say acha, A we have taken, so I won't take. Let's say there was a person X along with B. They both have got rank 1. Okay, they both have got rank 1, and rank 2 is given with people. I'm explaining it to you again. Okay, just a second, guys. I'm explaining it to you again. Okay, let's say rank 2 is with Y and Z. Let's say, so if the change in B of rank is 1, that means B has got rank 2. Because there are only two people, that means rank 3 would be given to either Y or Z. Whoever it has been given, they also have a change. They also have a change of value 1. Okay, but we also know, okay, that B was the only person who had the minimum least change in the revised rank. Okay, so if this is the case, that B along with one other person has got the same rank, then in that case, the just below to the people who have just got initial rank of below B, for one of these person, the change in the rank will be 1, that will be equal to that of B. Now that is not possible. That means that the total number of people in B's range of initial value are 2. Okay, so initial rank, and this initial rank is going to be 1. This initial rank was 1. Take care. This initial rank was 1. And what we can say, there is some guy over here. Take care. Then there is B. Then there's some guy over here. Take care. He had got least attempt. Take care. He had got highest attempt. Between these three people, only between these three people, he has got this attempt, and this B has got second least. Take care. Because all of them were ranked 1. Take care. All of them are ranked 1. And after in the final rank, the rank of B shifted. The rank of B shifted by 1 position, and what rank will he get? He will get rank 2. Now why, if some of you are wondering why they have been given rank 1, because if you see, if they would have been, if any other pair, if B would have not got initial rank of 1, let's say he would have got an initial rank of 2. Okay, let's say he would have got an initial rank of 2. Then again, between in the first rank, there would have been two people, let's say, then also for one person there would have been a change of 1 rank. If there were two people, then also for one of them there would have been a change of rank, revised change of 1 rank. So that is not possible. Because why? Because B is the only person with the least change in value. So B definitely has to be in the top, in the rank 1 of the initial ranks. Okay, and then in the final ranking he shifted to rank 2, that is a change of 1 position. Okay, so this is there. So along with B in the initial rank, there are 2 more people. Okay, along with B in the initial rank, there are 2 more people. Okay, chalo, this much is done. Just a second, let it remove. I don't know. Okay, just a second. Okay, so this is removed. Chalo. Now talk about similar condition. If you talk about G, guys. Okay, so G on the same lines. Okay, on the same lines, we can say that the case for G, okay, there must have been one more person along with him at the rank, at this whatever rank G got. Okay, there has to be one more person along with him. Okay, why do you see there is only one person? Because if there were 3 people, okay, if there were 3 people, okay, then you can see that the number of questions attempted by C was less than that by A. Okay, number of questions attempted by C was less than that by A. Okay, but C has got 7th rank, A has got 6th rank. If A and C both along with G would have been in the both have been in the same range, then because C had lesser number of attempts, C would have got a better position than A. But what we can see is that C has got a worse position than A. That means C is the only person along with G in their initial rank wala situation. That is, be it 3, 4, whatever it is. I cannot say as of now exactly what it is. Okay, but along with G, only C was there in the initial rank. Only along with G, there was only C with the initial rank. Okay, so this is also done. Take care. Now we know that, okay, let's make a table. Let's make a table for initial ranks. Okay, let's make a table for initial rank. Okay, so what the ranks do we have? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see if there is any other thing that is there. If there is rank 4, we'll see. So in first position there are 3 people. Okay, in first position there are 3 people that we know of. Okay, acha, chalo, theek hai. Now moving ahead, what we can see is that D is the only person whose rank has changed by value of 3. D is the only person whose rank is changed by a value of 3. Now the only possibility for this, is that D got an initial rank of 2 and then moved to a rank of 5. That is the only possibility. Why? Because if D would have got rank 1 initially, the worst rank that he could have moved up to would have been 3. Okay, the would have moved up to is 4. Okay, because he has to get his rank changed by a value of 3. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4, but all the people who got the initial rank of 1, the worst rank that they can get in the final revised rank is 3. So that is not possible, because if rank of D was 1 in initial, his rank has to be 4 in final, and that is not possible. Now if rank of D is 2 in the initial, then he can get a rank of 5. That is a possibility. Okay, and we also know in the final ranking he cannot get a rank of 6, because 6 is already occupied by A, 7 is by C, 8 is by G. So the only possibility for D is that he got an initial rank of 2, whereas a final rank of 5. So let us put him over here in the 5 wala column. Okay. Also, what we can definitely say now is that there are going to be minimum of 2 people over there, and one of them is going to be D. Okay. Acha. Now, if you say there are 2 options, there are 2 possibilities. Okay. Acha. We also have been given D and E have the same initial rank. Okay. So E is the person who is going to come over here. E is the person who is going to come over here, that we are certain of. That means the final rank of E definitely has to be 4, because that is the only possible case that he has, because there are already 3 people in initial rank 1 that we have already verified. So that means those are the 3 people who are going to occupy the first 3 ranks, whereas E is left, who has got the rank of 2, and that means he has to at any cost occupy the rank of 4, because top 3 ranks are with initial rank 1. 4 was the only position left, and that is with E, and he has got a rank of 2, initial rank of 2. Okay. That means the people above in the rank 1 were either H, and F in any order. Now this is not the order that I have specified. They might be in the any order. Okay, as of now. Okay. Chalo. Then E and D are there. Okay, in rank 2. Okay. Chalo. Acha. This is done. Okay, this is done. Now guys, if you see that between A, now there are 2 options, that either A can come over here, okay, A can come over here, or there is an option that A can come over here alone, and in 4th position C and G can go. Okay, in 4th position C and G can go. But the 4th position where A comes over here and 4th position what C and G would have got is not possible, because in this case C's rank was 4, initial rank was 4, whereas after that C's rank is 7. So there is a change of 3, but we also know that only D's rank changed by 3. So this case is not possible. Take care. That means 4th position for C and G is not possible. That means definitely C and G are going to occupy this position. That is third rank in the initial one. And because A cannot be with C and G, so that means A will occupy this position. A will occupy this position. Not talking about H and F, because no information has been given to us. They will occupy first and third rank in any particular order. Okay, now let us move ahead with the questions. Now, because the set is solved, we know the initial ranks of the people, we know the final ranks of the people. So what is the revised rank of D? The revised rank of D is 5. That is option number B. Who are the students who initially got rank first? That is H, B, and F. That is option number C, B, H, and F. Now, what is the change in rank of C? C got an initial rank of 3. His final rank is 7. There is a change of 4. That is option number B will be the right answer. And with this, the set is solved. Hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video, guys.